Hey Torque Update fam. Today, we're diving into something compact but seriously exciting, the 2027 BMW X1. If you've ever thought small SUVs were boring, BMW is here to prove you wrong with a fresh update to its entry-level luxury crossover. The X1 may be the baby of the X lineup, but this new generation is packing some serious grown-up energy. Right off the bat, the new BMW X1 just feels more polished. It's stylish without trying too hard, compact without feeling cramped, and it's loaded with modern tech that makes it feel way more upscale than its size might suggest. Driving it gives you that BMW confidence, agile handling, sharp steering, and a ride that balances comfort and sportiness perfectly. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the highway, the 2027 X1 feels like a compact SUV that punches well above its weight. On the outside, BMW has given the X1 a sharper and more aggressive design for 2027. The front grille is now more prominent, flanked by slimmer adaptive LED headlights with BMW's signature L-shaped daytime running lights. The overall shape feels more muscular, with bold character lines and a slightly wider stance that give the SUV a confident presence. You'll also notice the roofline has a subtle coupe-like slope, adding a sportier silhouette. Around back, the LED taillights are now more sculpted, and the rear bumper features integrated exhaust finishers for a cleaner look. New wheel options ranging from 18 to 21 inches let you tailor the X1's look to your style, whether it's sleek urban or rugged weekend ready. Step inside, and you immediately feel like you're in a luxury vehicle. The 2027 X1's cabin is built around BMW's latest minimalist design language, with a floating curve display that merges the 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster and 10.7-inch infotainment touchscreen into one seamless panel. It runs BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, which is more responsive and intuitive than ever. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even built-in streaming apps like Spotify and YouTube come standard. As for materials, the interior features soft-touch surfaces, sustainable leather alternative upholstery, and customizable ambient lighting. Higher trims offer real wood or aluminum trim, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and even a Harman Kardon premium sound system. Cargo space is more generous than you'd expect in this segment, and the rear seats fold nearly flat for road trip-worthy storage. It's a small SUV that feels anything but basic. When it comes to performance, the 2027 X1 gives you a few options. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, push out around 241 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. That setup gives you a smooth and punchy ride with excellent fuel economy. BMW will also offer a plug-in hybrid version, expected to deliver over 40 miles of electric-only range, making a perfect choice for urban commuters who want to save on gas while still having the option to hit the road for longer trips. And yes, the xDrive all-wheel drive system is still here, giving you added grip and stability in slippery conditions. The 2027 BMW X1 is expected to arrive in dealerships by early 2027, with official unveilings happening in the last quarter of 2026. Pre-orders will likely open shortly after. Pricing is expected to start around $41,000 for the base xDrive 28i model, and can go up to $52,000 or more for fully loaded trims and plug-in hybrid variants. Given what it offers in terms of luxury, technology, and performance, that price tag feels totally justified. So that wraps up our look at the 2027 BMW X1, a compact luxury SUV that blends premium comfort, sporty performance, and forward-thinking tech into one very stylish package. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like the video, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more fresh automotive news, reviews, and first looks just like this. Catch you in the next video. Stay torqued.